Tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for central Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin until 4:45 p.m. At 3:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Belmont, or 9 miles west of Darlington, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Darlington, Fayette, and Calamine. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.